Well, friends, I'll have to give you some tips for listening, and I believe it would really help you. As you all know, listening test is same for academic and general students. You get 40 minutes to do the listening, complete the listening task. Audio would be played for 30 minutes, and then you get 10 minutes to transfer your answers. Few things to be noted. Usage of pencil, mandatory value, transfer your answers. Next, it should be all caps. Whenever you're transferring your answer, maintain the tone. Strongly recommended would be all caps. Secondly, take care of spelling. Listen for plurals. If you miss out on plurals, that would be a mistake. Though your spelling is correct, but you just miss on the plurals, it would be a mistake and you would lose points. I think, friends, you would listen to the recording only once and pay attention. Attempt all questions. There is no negative marking. Next would be, okay, let's discuss about some of the steps that is required, or tips I would like to give you post listening, as in how you transfer your answers. That's one of the very important thing in listening. First and foremost is usage of pencil, mandatory, those who are going for paper pen test. Next, it should be all caps and ensure that your handwriting is legible. Spelling errors counted, friends, so be very careful about spelling. Even the plurals matter, so listen for plurals and write it correctly. Next, coming to date format. I have quite often come across students writing in using strokes, sometimes hyphen. That's not allowed. Please make a note of it. You have to use the format as in dd.mm.yyyy. That's the format how we use it. While transferring, while writing it, instead of strokes and hyphen, use a dot. We call it as period. For example, 24th April 1990. 24.04.1990. Accepted. Even you can write 24th April, 1990. Accepted. But the moment you write 24th of April, it would be marked wrong. Next, you cannot write APR, short forms. So to be noted, APR, this kind of short forms, not allowed. Coming to date, when you're writing time, it should be just a dot, no colon. In Indian Standard Time, we use colon, so not allowed. Suppose 11:30, 11.30. AM, PM is optional. It's your call. If required, you can use it. Next, very important, while transferring your answers, maintain the chronological order. Then coming to the next part, that is your currency symbol. You quite often get a lot of questions where you have to use or write the figures. So before writing the figures, just check whether symbol is given or not. If symbol is there, then don't again copy the symbol and write the figure. Then you need to write the figure. If symbol is not given, then you have to write the symbol as well as the figure. It's very important. You have to pay attention to this. Last but not least is usage of hyphen. Hyphen, whenever you use between two numbers, it gives a feel of, makes it one unit. For example, when you're writing a range like 1000 to 2000. So 1000 hyphen 2000. No matter if the instruction being given to you is one number, but you can definitely use or write that complete range. It would be considered as one single unit. So hyphen is very important. And in between words, when we use hyphen, it is considered as one single word. For example, door to door. Door to door. Though there are three words, but the moment you use hyphen, it is considered as one single word. So the concept of hyphen should be very clear, and you all know that hyphens are used for compound adjectives. Recall those things, refresh those things, that would be very helpful. So usage of hyphen, and importantly, attempt all question and focus on your writing as well.